Hey, Sid Hamid, Brickfront Properties and Construction. So we're finishing up this job here in Prince Frederick. So this was the house that got on fire. So we're just cleaning up the garage, taking out extra materials, and then we're gonna clean up. I got a bad cold, man, last couple of days, but still gotta work. All right, so let me show you guys inside here. Okay. So got new hardwood floors, new stairs. Gonna come back and stain the treads and the handrails. Recessed lights throughout the house. So this is considered the office. So this room is new windows, new baseboard, new window trims, and then that is considered the family room over there. So we built the TV box, the fireplace. So this project took a little longer. The client was a little picky, actually a lot picky, but we got it done. We took the walls down here, opened this up. We took the walls down there to open up this area, and we kept the knee walls here just for some accent. And that's the dining room over there, and we got the dining room light installed, and the chandelier is up here. There's the chandelier. Got that installed, and here's half a bathroom here. Put the wainscoting on here. Powder room. Light fixture, new ceiling fan. Okay, then this here goes to the breakfast area. Here, new French doors, and ceramic tile in the kitchen, and new kitchen, new cabinets, glass cabinets with lights, hood range, pendant lights. So everything here is all brand new. So Brickfront Properties and Construction, Sid Hamid, double oven. Let me see the light switch on. And then we got the cabinet lights here. And the switch is here. So there you go. So you got the lights on up there. And then you got the door going to the basement. The island, we put a USB outlet on this side. So there's a USB here. And then this goes into we opened up this wall. We had to open this up to create this opening here. And there was a closet over here. We knocked that down and put a pantry there, a wall pantry. And opened up the wall here to make it wider to walk into the dining room. So now you walk into the dining room, got the door to the garage and the entrance from the garage, okay? And then we'll go upstairs. Now this wall, we cut the wall half. So this wall was always here, and there was a door right there. There was a door, so we cut the wall half to open up this section to give it that dramatic look. But originally, there was a door right here. It was a door and then a wall. So we took it all down and opened it up and matched it same level as the other side of the banister. So it gives it a better open look. And then we'll go upstairs. You got the hallway bathroom. You got bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Then you got the hallway closet and the laundry room and the master suite. This is your hallway bathroom here. Okay, so this is done. Light fixtures, ceiling fan, exhaust fan. And then we ran the tile all the way up the jacuzzi tub, and then bring the tile to the ceiling. Recess lights. Okay. So it came out nice. Counts out. So this bathroom is done. And then here you got your hall closet. We put a steamer here for the master to have a steam room. Okay, I built the closet right there. And then this here is the laundry room here. The floors, washing machine, dryer. Put some cabinets up here. And then a laundry sink down there. So that room's done. This is the master. So the master bedroom here. And okay. We put in a picture window, new windows throughout the house. Window casing, window trim. This is the master bedroom. And then you got your master bath. Still waiting on the glass guy to come put in the glass doors.